Today we're going to be making a watercolor prayer to go on the wall of a nursery. I started out by measuring to make sure that my painting would fit inside of an 8x10 mat opening. After that, I began to pencil in the words that I wanted on the painting. Several times I didn't like how it laid out and I had to erase and write it over. Once I was happy with the word placement, I started to pencil out the greenery that I would paint around the words. I also added a few little berries. Now it's time to start painting. I started with the longer leaves. I tried to keep them consistently the same type of green across the whole painting. I didn't paint the leaves a solid green. What I would do is I would start usually on one side of the leaf with a darker green, and then I would dry my brush and maybe put a little water on it and move the green over to the other side, and it would end up making one side a little bit lighter just to give it that more natural look. For the stems, I was careful to make very fine lines. To match the nursery decor, I used a peach color for the berries. For the rounder leaves, I used a much lighter green. I wanted to give a little contrast from the other greens. On the remaining leaves, I did a much darker shade of green. Once I was finished painting the greenery and the berries, I started painting the words. I decided to paint them in black. So here's the finished product. I think it will be a lovely addition to this nursery.